One. I want to say like
accidental hookup with the white. I'm walking backward. Can you get it?
Oh, there.
Oh!
I got that one.
Under?
You want to move this one?
Get that picture of her. It's going on my YouTube for sure.
That shit clicked so slow too, taking off. I was like, this is good.
Come on, run. I'll let you give some slack. Who wants to go get my kayak out?
Right now?
I don't know.
I said just climb down.
I'll climb down, pero I won't.
Perfect. You get the
Hook out and all that.
At least I can get your weight back.
All right.
I mean, you could try to wrap the gaff around the.
weight.
This one, I think this one has a steel tip. The steel one.
That is
Swivel to steel. And then it's my leader leading out, mono 250. This is dope. Damn, it's a little guy and he fights.
you got like
200 pounds.
Nah.
that's big.
What?
Yeah. I'll bet you it's 200 pounds. Hey, wait, I don't know how we're gonna find that out, but it's like 200 pounds.
Mira, toma así, Rafa, con un vendo para él allá para allá.
You're
Got a video of it jumping out.
Yeah?
Like his mouth's open and everything.
For sure. You got to send it to me.
I charge for videography.
I charge for a show too.
I should have just never said he was running. Hook a fingernail with that tightness right now, probably cut that shit.
It's pretty in a good.
Yeah.
I use my
And
9
then I got the Phoenix to try it out. I originally got a Graphtec, but it was one that was rated to 150. My reel's not even that much.
I have one.
Yeah. Over here, there it is.
I just picked up a Phoenix 808 XH.
To talk to the guy, like, hey, you know, like
Yeah.
your guy sold me a wrong rod, dude.
Yeah.
You know, like, and I fished it once, so he was like, no, I can't give you full price.
He's trying to give you like 20% off.
Yeah, so I had
$100 to replace it, bro.
Look.
I'd rather go to Tacas.
Oh, the what? That's
In
Anaheim?
Anaheim?
Yeah.
That fool knows what he's talking about.
That fool hooked it up one time on a custom rod and someone didn't pick up.
$400 for this with the whole setup.
That's not bad.
The reel when I think when it first came out.
My reel like $300, no? Oh, they're like
It was $400 when it first came out.
Really?
Wasn't it?
Oh, 2-speed, right?
Yeah, 2-speed.
Oh yeah, there's like 350.
And I got the whole thing for like $400 something.
Yeah, that's good.
Is he over that one?
Hey, you're gonna get on a YouTube channel. You better get that fool a surface.
Huh.
I'll have to charge for storage. Fucking videos. You going over?
Woo!
Probably like 10 minutes rods up. I think when they lay them down there, pain in the ass to get over.
Oh shit, he's turning back.
Alright, I guess we're going back.
How long do you think I should fight him for?
Why? You're gonna get your way back.
Longer?
Yeah.
What do you think?
The only thing is,
I'm gonna turn on the
As long as
clicker.
he swims off.
And you know what? I wouldn't be surprised if this would hit me last night.
That's the first one we've seen in a while.
Yeah?
Yeah, we haven't seen one in a while.
That means it's heating up.
Yeah.
There's jellyfish right here. First time. Yeah, well, usually because they don't.
We saw one yesterday.
Yeah, there's a couple right there.
Ayúdale, Rafa, que agarre la caña de la other side, but...
Oh.
Ah.
At least there's something.
Hey, we beat the skunk. Oh, call my girl.
Shit, I did it. Where's mine? I never heard that one. Oh my god.
She told me to call her when I get something big.
Ay, se te va a caer el pinche phone, eh.
I caught Jaws. I caught
You
Jaws.
should video call her.
Caught baby Jaws. Got mini Jaws.
Caught Jaws,
She's
dude.
probably asleep. I'm gonna wake her ass up right now.
My phone's still been out there. Nothing. Hey, we still got mackerel.
Hey, baby. Guess what? I hooked up onto a great white and I'm fighting him right now.
You're stupid.
What?
You're stupid.
What do you mean I'm stupid? I'm serious. I hooked up to one. He's a baby. I feel like a bully. I am, but I'm trying to get my weight back. All right, baby. I'll talk to you later.
Here, put your phone back. Put your phone back in your pocket, que no saque. Ay.
Ahí no.
Oh, my bad.
No, I'm about to strip.
He's like,
Oh shit! I'm going underneath
Rafa's.
Rafa's.
Push it right here.
Rafa. Relieve the slack. That's all you gotta do.
Yeah, go over, Rafa. Go over, Rafa.
Oh, I'm over him?
Yeah.
Where are you?
Yeah. But don't lose tension. Don't lose tension, porque. Yeah, over. Vente, but this way. Don't lose tension.
Want to try this one up? Are you good?
Don't lose tension.
Oh,
This way, walk it.
What if he beaches himself?
If you see anyone, just cut your line.
If he's going, where is he going?
That way.
The back. He's going back. Okay, you better be something.
Pump him?
No, wait. Let it if he runs that way. Let him loosen a little bit of drag. Let him run that way. Yeah, like that. Yeah, let him run that way. So if you want a picture with it, I'll say let it run.
like that.
Over here somewhere.
I'm a hand feeder
Oh,
right
because
now.
I don't want him to get in the column. So
Yeah.
so right now when he comes
over?
in the next run, he can.
Yeah.
Oh, he's
Back
good.
this way. I turned him.
Hey, I have a problem with my reel. I don't know what it is. I feel like
Hopefully that boat don't show up.
past is far no more. Like,
At 4? It's already past
it's
that.
not as smooth.
I'll help you out.
It's that
Yeah, that's a
big ass boat launch.
They did it yesterday.
Well, the problem is,
same boat.
well, no, the warden's the one that launches, the ranger and the warden. Those are the two people that launch.
Oh yeah?
They eat out here.
The water's part of here.
Those shit are now.
Juan hasn't called me. He hasn't called me. He's fishing shallows for perch.
He's got arms. Right, the fucking back. They're using it for fucking
Fuck it, it becomes
Bottom
the
of
same.
the
We just have to trying to get it to pop it off.
Pregúntale
I just last time we did it, we just told them we're like, hey, we're trying to leave them with the least amount of line and on them as possible.
Pregúntale a Vicky, bro, porque
Like,
ese
grab
que
one
viene
from
el fishing game y no los va a chingar.
But
If I don't get as close to the hook as I can, then it's like I'm pretty much killing
Y
him
además just
myself.
pick it up así out of the water.
You still pulling?
you got what you
You're gonna
wanted.
have to
Transfer out right now. Hey, he's trying to tap someone in. Ray made me tap out the other day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Must
An
have been
hour
like
and a half
100
before I even saw it.
I saw.
Floater and boom, it stopped. I couldn't see the floater.
And when you realize,
It was taking a long time. Tell me.
So these pups get. Oh, I can see him. Dude, I wish I had my waterline glasses right now. I would have been able to see right through that shit.
When it comes
the car, I didn't bring it.
when it comes closer, just pump it with all your might. How I told you. When it comes
That's him
closer,
right there.
let it run out.
I think that one's awarded. In the green?
Yeah, it is.
It's alright. We think it's a Ray. We haven't seen it yet. Right?
7 go?
I don't know. I haven't seen it.
I thought it was a smoke.
He's a white smoke.
If he does, how many rods are out?
I'm
You know what we
good.
need to do? We need to get a magnet with the rope and then just cut the rope right underneath us and then just drop it.
Here.
I won't be able to go down and cut your main line. How long was your main line?
I want to say 6 feet.
Oh no, we're good.
no.
It's a Ranger. It's not the one.
This is the one that
The
cleans this shit.
cleans the ranger
the
from the
city?
park.
Oh, that cleans the pillars or cleans this?
All of them.
Oh, it's the.
Clean pillars.
Oh, well, there is, but they're in Ventura. Like they actually have some pillars.
You go to Ventura at least? You wanted to go.
What?
Do I shoot?
Oh, that thing was. Nah, that shit was a baby.
For real?
Yeah, I have a picture of it. The homie caught it.
Not
It
bad.
was
really
like
not
5.5
bad.
feet.
For no reason. It's my old habit. No, I'm playing. My old habit.
Hey, you put AccuPlate on. Well, Tiburon frames are good. The AccuPlates are. I don't know. I like them more. It makes it look like international. Huh?
AccuPlates are pretty sick.
Yeah.
I was gonna buy
I went over.
for like $60.
I just got in hot rodding my squall. That shit was a pain in the ass, dude. Yeah.
She's a pain in the ass to reel with those old ass shits.
The what?
Pain in the ass to reel with those old ass shits.
The Senator?
I feel like you're going nowhere when you really.
It's perfect for a white. I mean, he's not that fast.
I went to
How quick? He's probably right. Imagine right now he doesn't even.
No, he's
Oh shit.
What's wrong with the shit?
You might as well just hold the rods.
Uh,
Yeah, remember the whole
They just tell him you charge him $5 every time you lift him.
oh, it's you again. Yeah.
Want to see?
You want to see? It might be, dude. It might be the same one that hit me last night.
Oh. I thought you made an actual person like someone's.
Remember, he got snapped off. His rod almost went in. His rod was lifted like that.
Yeah.
Whatever it was.
Took all his line.
Great leopard.
Yeah. Accidental hookup.
Yeah, we got a cheetah. This ain't no leopard.
There's no other ones.
Yeah.
They kind of dip out.
Yeah, they get scared of these fools because this fool will eat that shit.
Enough line on your pole. That's it. Okay,
Alright, that means we can leave today then, because that means there's no other guys.
Well, no, it'll scare all the smaller sharks.
Did you guys get anything last night?
A nice run, but that was about it.
Oh shit.
Probably this one.
Probably this one, yeah.
Yep. Is this on Ray or what is this one on?
This one has this one has a whole mackerel on top, and then on the bottom I have a squid.
What do you think you hit on?
The Mac.
The mac probably.
Imagine it's on the squid.
It's, I mean, possible. These things are fucking silent. They're just gutter
Oh,
bugs.
steel leader or only all mano?
Animano.
That's why.
You remember circle hooks? Nah, that shit would have been done for already.
And what I'm saying is small, it's because I don't have a big hook on there. I have a thresher hook on there.
You don't need a big ass hook to hook.
Well, I'm surprised I haven't been that
What is
awesome.
it, like a 10? 10-0?
It's a 6.
6-0?
Yeah. We don't run a big one.
I run the big one, like a 9.0 for like, you know, like a 7 or something like that.
That's
big
crazy.
Ass.
I
thought
snapped
that
the 9-0. I was surprised that she snapped. Good to get one. 7?
Floater.
I want one.
Well,
That's all I need. It's on my list.
honestly, with this being in the deep end, I might go fish the shallow. Because the 7
déjalo, ese, ahí deja ese.
That's what everybody tells me. It's lately, I don't know why. Normally we don't get them.
No tanto así, no tanto así.
Alright, I directed him back that
Oh,
way.
there you go, there's the float.
Que te dale, pull,
Oh,
pull,
he didn't
pull,
hit the Mac.
pull,
Or unless
pull.
the Mac is just floating.
It's something floating.
Imagine if we
Oh,
snag.
he's coming back this way.
Is this way?
Imagine that hook just went straight through his tail. You coming through?
What's the point of kayak dropping when you cast 20 feet and still got 20 feet?
Huh.
Did you put a floater on it?
No, el preciso tengo con this one.
Oh. I'm like, what the fuck, a floater? Yeah, so that boat sniped me off, Carlos.
Isn't this one?
Nah, neither.
On the pen.
Boat.
On the rest, on the racing. Popped my floater. And he popped his bottom setup all the way out there.
Yeah.
When it comes closer to the pier, all the way over here, and use the railing as leverage now. Now you can use the the
Run that bitch.
Because I didn't have the spinning rod.
yeah, but now you can.
Yeah.
Just don't.
That'll be fun.
It better be a slimer, other than that, he's not reeling that whole way.
Oh no. Oh no, don't do that.
Not into the weeds.
We'll stop him. Stop him.
Nah, but I don't mind it, but when they start
Oh,
racing,
yeah.
people in hell is white.
Pump this ass. Pump this ass.
Oh, I popped the hook out. Or it snapped me.
You're over